Although occasional use of apple cider vinegar is safe for most people, it does carry some risks. For example, apple cider vinegar is highly acidic. It may irritate your throat if you drink it often or in large amounts. Apple cider vinegar may interact with certain supplements or drugs, including diuretics and insulin. This may contribute to low potassium levels. Remember, there's no magic bullet for weight loss. Be skeptical of any approach that claims you can lose weight without decreasing calories or increasing physical activity. Apple cider vinegar, or cider vinegar, is a vinegar made from fermented apple juice and used in salad dressings, marinades, vinaigrettes, food preservatives, and chutneys. It is made by crushing apples, then squeezing out the juice. Bacteria and yeast are added to the liquid to start the alcoholic fermentation process, which converts the sugars to alcohol. In a second fermentation step, the alcohol is converted into vinegar by acetic acid-forming bacteria or Acetobacter species. Acetic acid and malic acid combine to give vinegar its sour taste. A number of studies examining the consumption of 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or ACV at bedtime found improved glucose levels on waking. It's worth noting, however, that the success of apple cider vinegar or ACV in this area appears to be most relevant for healthy individuals or diabetics with well-controlled blood sugar levels. Moreover, if you take prescription medication to help manage your blood sugar, you should check with your general practitioner or GP before you increase the intake of any form of vinegar. Despite its history of use in traditional medicine, there is no good evidence to support any health claims such as for weight loss, glycemic control, or skin infections in humans. And its use is not recommended for any indication in medical guidelines of major public health organizations or regulatory agencies. Animal studies suggest apple cider vinegar or ACV may improve blood triglycerides, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Sadly, however, this has not to date been sufficiently replicated in humans to support its recommendation. Traditionally used for cleaning the home and as a food preservative, vinegar does have antimicrobial properties. Specifically, apple cider vinegar or ACV may be effective in inhibiting the growth of Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. Apple cider vinegar or ACV can be incorporated into cooking or used in salad dressings. If choosing to drink apple cider vinegar, make sure that it is sufficiently diluted. It is too acidic to drink straight. Given that it's a traditional remedy and not a medicine, there are no official guidelines on how to consume it. Some people choose to stir between 1 tablespoon until 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. Thank you for watching, hopefully useful.